Well, hello there, friends. Welcome to my music studio. I am excited to share with you a brand new song that I wrote actually back in October of 2023. It's called The Magic. And essentially, the message of the song is a gratitude towards Spirit for the ways in which we see the divine spark, whether it's in the twinkle of an eye or in the care of hands, or in other ways that touch the deepest recesses of our soul. And I am excited to share this song with you today. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.
The magic in your eyes always takes me by surprise. It twinkles and it shows the love I've come to know. The magic in your hands that moves at your command, bringing goodness my way. I am grateful today. Magic in your eyes, magic in your hand. I see your love arise. The sweetness is alive. Magic in your heart, magic you impart, bringing joy and gladness in my heart. The magic in your heart never departs, always ready to show, and my heart knows the magic you impart is a gift from the start, ready to deliver right now. Magic in your eyes, magic in your hand. I see your love arise. The sweetness is alive. Magic in your heart, magic you impart, bringing joy and gladness to my heart. I feel it right now. It amazes me, filling me up consistently. I love the magic in my way that you gift to me. Thank you for the magic that you give. Magic in your eyes, magic in your hands. I see your love arise. The sweetness is alive. Magic in your heart, magic you impart, bringing joy and gladness to my heart, bringing joy
I do hope that you enjoyed the song, The Magic. My aim in sharing this song is to invite you to recognize the divine spark in yourself and in others around you, and to be able to see the love of spirit arising in the hearts of yourself and those around you. And how when we recognize the magic of that divine spark, it just makes all the difference in the world. Yes. Remember that gentle is magic.